Okay, here is a quick stateroom tour of 6196 on Wonder of the Seas. It is a balcony, ocean view balcony. And as you can see, nicely decorated, contemporary style. This has the closets where they're basically in both sides of the bed. And one side has the shelves and the drawers and the hanging space and the safe, and the other side has hanging space. Must be the ladies' side. And I got my robe. So here is typical bed, and we have our stateroom attendant here. Hello.
Everything good?
Everything's good.
Okay.
We're just showing everyone. Yes, please. All right, thank you.
Your keys, I told you.
Yes, yes, thank you. And the bathroom, there's your tube. Plenty of room in the shower. And it's nice that you have space in front of the toilet. In some of the other rooms, it has the cabinets, you know, the sink is like this, and you know, anyway, you don't hit your head, so that's cool. What else? Here is the TV, little things that you can hang things. I have magnetic hooks. Nice little couch here. It's my workstation. Nice drawers. There's a mini fridge down here. And the nice balcony. This is a spacious balcony, what they call it. This is a ocean view with large balcony. So this is pretty cool. The door slides open easily, but look at this. It's a nice sized balcony. It's a spacious, large balcony. You can put lounge chairs on here. And it is more towards the front. You can see the bridge wing up there. And it does kind of stick out, sort of a mini hump here. It's a wonderful cabin. And it's not far from the fitness center. You can go in there and work out, and you can get your Vitality Cafe juices and snacks. So there you go, 6196, Wonder of the Seas. Ocean view balcony with, well, ocean view with, what is it? I'm not doing a blooper reel, but this is the blooper for you built in. This is an ocean view balcony with large balcony. I think that's what it's called. There you go, Wonder of the Seas.